Hey guys, so this video is going to be a quick review of a neat little product. This is the SpeedyBee Adapter 2. It's a Wi-Fi adapter that makes it possible to access your beta flight settings without needing to bring along a laptop. It just works with your smartphone and the SpeedyBee app. Now, of course, this is quite interesting for micro-long-range applications because these are quads that maybe you want to bring along, when you're hiking or not carrying your full FPV equipment. And in these cases, it can be very practical to have access to your beta flight settings without being forced to carry your laptop along. Now, the nice thing about this thing is how simply it actually works. So that's the adapter. It's got this double-sided micro USB. One side says 2DFC. And all you do is plug this into your flight controller. Get a XT60 battery. Now you can use 1 to 6S. So this will basically take any battery you have. Then immediately you'll see a new Wi-Fi popping up. You connect to that Wi-Fi. Then there's this app here for Android and iPhone. Just open it up. It actually advertises exactly this product, which costs at $26, by the way. So we select Wi-Fi connection. Yes. And here we go. So this is a full beta flight configurator. The app is well made. It really has all the settings you would have in your desktop beta flight application. So I would say so far so good. It's really a super simple, pretty much perfect product. Now there is just one thing we're really wondering about, and I actually wonder whether there is something I'm not getting, but what you can do, at least on Android phones, is instead of getting this $25 adapter, you can quite simply get a less than $5 USB to USB-C adapter. Just get your good old micro USB. Also plug this into your flight controller. Plug it into your phone. And here you go. It's the exact same thing for a fifth of the price. Now, quite honestly, I don't think this will work on an iPhone. Honestly, I haven't tried. So if you've tried this, please leave a comment. But at least for Android, my conclusion would be, while this is a very nice product, and probably as an Apple user, you should get it. This is something really everybody should have. If you have an Android phone, I do not see a single reason why you would, spend $25 to do it through Wi-Fi and not, just get a pretty simple adapter here for your smartphone and, do it this way. It's not like this is really bothering you to having to physically connect your quad to your phone. This, for me, fulfills the exact same function. So maybe there is something I'm not getting here. Please leave a comment if there's something I'm overlooking here. But my conclusion would be, if this works with your phone, just, going through this adapter and the SpeedyBee app, just do it like this. Otherwise, this product is really well made, works perfectly, connects very quickly. So, all right, guys, hope you found this useful. And again, if there's something here I'm not getting, please leave a comment, because I'm honestly wondering why you would get this for Android and why you would really connect through Wi-Fi and not just physically. All right, guys, thanks for watching.